I'm Kieran Davis, General Manager of LB Civil. Welcome today to the Kaha Surrounding Streets project in Christchurch City, where we are currently installing new wastewater and water supply pipes. Our crew started on site in mid-August with the water supply install from St Street to Hereford Street. These works were completed on the 25th of September. The installation of the water supply involved approximately 485 metres of pipe. 50% of this was 300 mils in diameter and the other 50% was 200 mils in diameter. To date, we've completed 4 connections to existing water mains on surrounding streets, with 3 more to be completed following the installation of new water mains on Litchfield Street and Chilham Street. Following the completion of the water supply works, we commenced wastewater installation from Litchfield Street to Hereford Street. 180 metres of the 240 metres to be installed. We are installing 2 different size pipe, 300 mil diameter and 225 mil diameter. Initial program provided by head contractor Isaac Construction had both the wastewater and water supply works taking approximately 4 months. With only 60 metres of the wastewater to go, we're on track to have these work completed within 2.5 months. LB Civil would like to thank our subcontractors and suppliers, head contractor Isaac Construction, and Christchurch City Council and everyone else involved in this project.